the concepts, but of what we did from the 3 classes about congruency, similarity, Taylor's theorem and proof, and also today's class. These are all the concepts. Based on these concepts, we have to do the exercise sums in the textbook given. But those who have textbook, you can open it, otherwise no problem. You can discuss it earlier. In 10th standard textbook, that is page number 30, exercise 2.1. It's a fill the blanks given. You just note down and need not write on the board, okay? Fill the blanks with the correct words given in the brackets. The first question is, all circles are dash. They are given the two options there, congruent and similar. All circles means some circle is smaller, some circle is bigger, some circle is bigger, some circle is smaller. I already told same shape differ in their size means it's nothing but similar. So for first one, the answer is similar. You note down the answer is similar. Second one also, all squares are dash. That is also similar. And third one, all dashed triangles are similar. Because they are given two options, isosceles and equilateral. So equilateral triangle, because isosceles means sometimes 6, 6 is there, sometimes it may be 7, 7, and these sides must be varied. So the sides proportional agiralla, and angles also sometimes vary. That's why third question, all equilateral triangles are similar. And next fill the blanks, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. I told that day their corresponding angles are dashed equal. Angles are equal. What about the corresponding sides are proportional? They are given two options in the second one, equal and proportional. For first blank we have to find equal and sides are proportional. And second question, give two different examples of pair of similar figures. I already shown that day. Similar figures means a tennis ball and a football. Like that, a stamp size photo and a passport size photo. We can give it. Non-similar figures means, so first you write a triangle, then you write a square. This is non-similar figures. Third one, state which of the following quadrants are similar. In first phase, they are given the diagram like this. It is like looking like robust. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So this PQRS. Then they will give on the quadrilateral square 3 centimeter. But here all angles are what? 90 degree. Here angles are not equal. So corresponding. So it is not similar. So note down the last two diagrams. It is not similar. Because reason is corresponding angles are not equal. Angles are equal illa adike. So we move on to the exercise 2.2. I will write the question. Exercise 2.2. The first question in figure, write down DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. Find EC. Find EC in this diagram. A, B, C. So this. So AD length is given 1.5. This is 3. This is 1. You have to find out EC. See students. DE parallel to BC. If it is parallel, we can write on the what? BPT formula and also correlate of BPT formula also. BPT barivaru, correlate of BPT barivaru. That depending upon this sum. Here find EC anta kelidare. So this portion. So here 1.53. Namge ile solve ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲು. ಇದು 1.5 ಇದೆ 3 ಇದೆ. 1.5 ಡಬಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3. Now that is 1.5 2s are. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದಾಗಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ವೆರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ we write down the condition DE parallel to BC. Next write down the BPT formula. Then formula AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Why? Because it is an PPT. Substitute the values. What is the value of AD? 1.5 by. What is the value of DB? 3. What is the value of AE? 1. This is easy. Or you can take it as X also, whatever it may. Now you cross multiply. 1.5 into EC is equal to 3 into 1 is 3. EC is equal to 3 by 1.5. You shift the decimal point. So for numerator, you add 1 0. If you shift this, 51 za, 52 za. So the answer is what? 2 centimeters. Here we have to find out EC, or else we can take it as X and we can find out. See, the second diagram is there. Second diagram, you should only do it at home. There we will find out AD part. Which part? AD. Second diagram, find AD. I'll write the diagram. Take down the diagram. A, B, C, D. We have to calculate the value of AD. The length of BD is 7.2. The length of AE is 1.8 centimeter, and the length of EC is 3.6 centimeter. Here also we should apply the formula what? BPT and solve it. So this is one homework question. I will give you another question, multiple choice. We have to solve that. You do it afterwards. Okay, write down this question. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC is 4 question. AD equals 7 centimeter, DB equals 5 centimeter, AC equals 18 centimeter, AD equals 7, DB equals 5, and AC equals 18. A equals 10.5. Take out BC is 10.5. And what is the length of AE? Yes, every line is DE parallel to BC. If I write BPT formula, see here. BPT formula, what is BPT formula? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. What is the length of AD? 7. What is the length of BD? 5.
Answer 7.5.
But this length is AE and this is what EC. Okay,
7.5.
but I don't know both the values. So this sum cannot be done by doing what? BPT. At that time, we should write corollary of BPT. Okay. Here also, we can verify by seeing example itself only. ಎವಳು ಇದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು 12. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇ ಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 10.5. ಆದಮೇಲೆ 18 10.5 ಆದಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 7.5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. By calculating this side only, we can find out very easily 7.5 centimeter.
ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 7.5 ಅಂತ ಏನಿರಲಿ.
Okay. So we can do it by proportional method also. And you take down this question.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್.
In triangle ABC, PQ parallel to BC, AP is equal to 4 centimeter, AB equals 12 centimeter, AC is 24, then AQ equals dash. So 4 options is given: 10, 8, 7.5 and 6. 10, 8, 7.5, 6. So write the diagram here. A, B, C, PQ parallel to BC. AP is 4. This is 12. This is 34. Yes. Here AP is given and the bigger side AB is given. So not PB. So we have to apply directly what? Since PQ parallel to BC, we should write down corollary of BPT. Write down the corollary AP by what? AB is equal to here AQ by the total length AC. What is length of AP? 4 by 12. Here is equal to AQ. Like that only right now. AC is how much? 24. And we can cancel 4 ones, 4 3s. Here also we can cancel 3 ones, 3 8s. So cross multiply. AQ is equal to what? 8 centimeter. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈಗ ಡೌಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5x ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತೀವಿ? x is equal to 5 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೈ 5. 5 1 5 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 5. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿ 4 1 4 3 3 1 3 8 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ. ಸೊ we get AQ is what? 8. So they have given 4 options. Which is the correct one? Second one. 8 is the correct answer. Very simple. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರು BPT ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ BPT ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? AP by PV. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ corollary of BPT. ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ corollary of BPT and solve it. Okay, friends. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Take down this question, homework, you do it, write yourself. Take down in given figure, copy the question, xy parallel to QR, PQ by x cube equals 7 by 3 and PR is 6.3. Then YR equals dash. then yr equals dash. 4 options is given. 2.3, next 2.7, 3.2, 4.2 centimeter. Another question, we try it, otherwise I will solve. In textbook, I will show one sum. You can do it one. Second question is there. Based on this, we'll solve only one problem, students, and then I will give you homework. Write down this. Second question, exercise 2.2. E and F, write down, are points on sides PQ and PR, PQ and PR of triangle PQR. State whether EF parallel to QR. So first one, P equals 3.9 centimeter, EQ equals 3 centimeter, PF equals 3.6 centimeter, FR equals 2.4 centimeter. So this is the question, first question. They have 3 questions. I will solve one question, you try other 2 at home only. See here, first write the diagram. So PQR is a triangle. A and F are the points here. You join. I want to check whether these 2 lines are parallel. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಈ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸೇಮ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪಿ ಇ 3.9, ಇ ಕ್ಯೂ 3, ಪಿ ಎಫ್ 3.6, ಇದು 2.4. ಯು ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪಿ ಇ ಬೈ ಇ ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪಿ ಎಫ್ by FR. P is to 3.9 by 3 is equal to PF 3.6 by 2.4. Here 3 ones are 3 1.3 are. Here 2s are 3s are. So in both answer 1.3. 3 by 2 means 1.5. And then not equal. So I have to conclude that sides are, not proportional. Sides are not proportional. Therefore, EF is, not parallel to QR. Sides proportional ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇದು ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಥರ 2 sums ಇದೆ. You check it, I will give the question, I will write the question, do it at home. Okay? Take down the question. P equals 4 centimeters Q equals 4.5. PF equals 8 centimeters. RF equals 9 centimeters. This is the second question. Same diagram, second question. Third question. PQ equals 1.28 centimeter. PR equals 2.56 centimeters.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
P equals 0.18 centimeter. And PF equals 0.36 centimeters. To do it and check whether the sides are proportional. In figure, LM parallel to AB, last questions. AL equals x minus 3. AC equals 2x. BM equals x minus 2. BC equals 2x plus 3. Find x, value of x. This is the diagram. A, B, C, LM, x minus 2, x minus 3, AL x minus 3, BM x minus 2, and BC is given 2x plus 3. Another one, AC is given 2x. To solve it and find out the solution for x, I already told BPT can be done in different ways. Which portion is not getting, first find out that portion and find out the, by using corollary of BPT we can solve this. Okay, thank you students. I hope you understand the concept, practice more. Tail theorem is very important for the examination, what we did in the last class. Practice 3 twice or 5 times, daily write one time without seeing the book and write with different alphabets. Bare alphabet ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ practice ಮಾಡಿ and these sums and whatever the sums given and textbook sums 2 sums ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಆ 2 sums ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So thank you.